I'm JD Durkin reporting from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, and here's a look at what we are watching on the street today. Stocks are coming off a losing session Monday amid fading hopes of a March rate cut. Investors will be keeping a close watch on the Fed Tuesday. Both the Cleveland and Boston Fed presidents are slated to speak more about monetary policy. Separately, investors are looking ahead to a very busy week of earnings. We got names like Snap, Ford, and Chipotle all slated to release results after the bell Tuesday. So far, roughly 50% of companies in the S&P 500 have reported quarterly earnings. In other news, the U.S. government and Google are officially headed to court. A federal judge announced the trial between the Department of Justice and the tech giant over Google's ad business is set to begin in September. The DOJ, along with multiple U.S. states, allege that Google has acquired too many rivals through anti-competitive mergers and has also forced advertisers and publishers to use its own ad technology programs. Google has previously responded to the suit by saying it's a, quote, flawed argument that would slow innovation, raise advertising fees, and make it harder for thousands of small businesses and publishers to grow. Ad revenue is, of course, an enormous part of its parent company, Alphabet's business. In its most recent earnings report, Alphabet revealed $66 billion of the $86 billion it reported in revenue came directly from advertising. Google currently also has two other ongoing lawsuits. One is set to begin in March of 2025 and will also focus on the company's ad tech operations, and the other revolves around the company's web search dominance. That trial is set to hear closing arguments in May 2024. That'll do it for your daily briefing from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. I'm JD Durkin with TheStreet.